Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous video. So guys, as you know, we started a course which is called Python programming course, and in this course I will teach you already teach you different topics about Python like operators, strings, numbers, comments, variables, etc., casting. So guys, as you know, we study list from our previous video. So this is another topic of list, that how to access list items. So let's get started, and I create a file 023 access list items .py. Here I write the name, how to access list items. So I will tell you that list items are indexed and they can be accessed by referring their index number. So suppose let's take an example of fruits. So I am creating a list of fruits: apple, banana, mango, pineapple. Okay, so these are, now I want to print fruits. So as you can see, apple, banana, mango, pineapple is printed. So guys, as we study in our string lectures, that strings are indexed, every string number is indexed, like string index start from 0 and now onwards. So the same is in case of list also are indexed, and you can access by their index number, and list index are start from 0. So if you want to access apple, your index number is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So let's see. So in print, uh, to access numbers, we have to write name of the list, and after that square bracket, and inside square bracket we have to named a refer. uh, we have to write a desired index number. So I want to like print apple only, so I print here 0. So as you can see, only apple is printed. If I write 1, then only banana is printed. But I want to print from apple to mango. So what are the indexes? 0, 1, 2. So first I put 0, after that semicolon and 2, then it's print only apple and banana. But why do not print mango? Because the last number is exclusive. So we have to write 3. When we write 3, it will show us the 3: apple, banana and mango. So in this way we can access the list item. So I hope you find it interesting. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it to your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.